All right, so this is my Ford F-150. Every time I was pulling out the driveway and I was making a left or a right turn, I used to hear this weird noise in the back. And I started going crazy trying to find the noise. So I replaced my lower control arm, my shocks. I replaced my rear shocks from the dealer. I replaced the springs. I was even thinking about pulling off the bed to see where the noise was coming from. So just from pulling out and just making a left turn, it was making a weird noise and I couldn't figure it out. And just the other day I realized where the noise was coming from. So I replaced the block to a 1-inch block, and I tightened these really tight. I didn't use the torque ratchet. I just tightened it really tight. And I came underneath here one day and I say, you know what, let me just loosen up all of these bolts and see what happened. And I loosened up all of the bolts and the noise went away. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this shit off and I'm gonna put the right shit back on there so I don't ever have this problem again, because this damn noise was driving me nuts. So anybody having problem with their truck making a weird squeaking noise whenever they're leaving from out of their driveway, or even going over a little bump, I would definitely check those bolts underneath the differential. All right, so that's that. Have a good one.